Hello everyone and welcome to Software Tech, your go-to channel for all things tech related. I'm excited to be here today to introduce you to the world of Python, one of the most versatile and powerful programming languages out there. Before we proceed further, let's begin by getting an overview of what Python is all about. Python stands out as a high-level scripting language. It abstracts away low-level details, offering a more accessible programming experience. Readability. With its clear and concise syntax, Python is designed to be easily readable, fostering collaboration and maintainability. Interpreted execution. Python code is executed line by line by the interpreter, allowing for quick testing and prototyping without the need for compilation. Interactivity. Its interpreted nature enables interactive sessions where developers can experiment with code and receive immediate feedback. Object-oriented design. Python supports object-oriented programming, facilitating the creation of modular, usable code through classes and objects. Beginner-friendly. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for newcomers to programming, lowering the barrier to entry into the world of software development. These characteristics collectively make Python a preferred language for a wide range of applications, from web development to scientific computing and beyond. Now we want to talk about some features of Python. Python code can run on various operating systems without modification. Python is dynamically typed, allowing variables to change types dynamically. Python finds applications in diverse fields, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, and more. Python boasts an extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, providing developers with access to pre-built tools and functionalities for various tasks. Python is embraced by a multitude of users. Tech giants Google, Facebook, and Instagram employ Python for web development and automation. Scientific community NASA and CERN rely on Python for scientific computing and data analysis. As startups, Python's ease of use and rapid development suit the startups. Education. Python plays a crucial role in programming education at all levels. Also, Python is prevalent in finance for quantitative analysis and algorithmic trading. Machine learning. Python serves as the foundation for leading machine learning and AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Python occupies a unique position between languages like C and C++, which are explicitly compiled into machine code, and languages like Shell and Perl, which are purely interpreted. We won't explore these languages further, as understanding them isn't necessary for our discussion. Environment. An environment in Python is the context in which a Python program runs, consisting of an interpreter and any installed packages. There are two main types of environments: global and local. Global environments are the default environments where the Python interpreter runs. Any packages installed or uninstalled here affect all programs running within it. Local environments, on the other hand, provide isolation for your workspace. You can create virtual environments using venv or conda, allowing you to install packages without affecting other environments. Now that we've covered Python environments, let's move on to understanding how to use Python in Windows, as well as creating virtual environments. You can easily download Python from the Windows App Store. Alternatively, you can download Python from its official website. After downloading, ensure that the Add Python to Path option is checked. Then click on Install Now and wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, Python will be successfully installed on your system and you will be able to start using it to write and run Python code. To write Python code efficiently, we need to install an IDE. VSCode is a highly recommended option. You can download it from its website and install it on your system. VSCode offers a user-friendly interface and numerous features to enhance your coding experience. To enhance your Python development experience in VS Code, it's recommended to install some extensions. Simply navigate to the Extensions tab in VS Code and search for the following extensions: Pylance, Python, and Python Debugger. Once installed, you have a more powerful and efficient environment for writing and debugging Python code. First, select a folder in your system where you want to create your project. Then simply drag it into VS Code window to create your project. Now that our project is set up, the next step is to create a virtual environment. To do this, open a new terminal in VS Code. After that, in the terminal, type python-m-env and hit enter. This command will create a new virtual environment named env for our project. Now let's create a new Python file. We can do that by selecting new file and name it a.py. After that, VS Code automatically detects the Python interpreter for our project. Exactly. Now let's write some code. In a.py, we can say print hello world. That prints a hello world to the console. Once we've written our code, we can run it directly from VS Code. Simply click on the run option at the top. As you can see, it says hello world. We've successfully created our Python project, set up a virtual environment, written some code and run it. Now it's time to start building something amazing. Additionally, we can activate the environment using this command /env scripts activates. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content. Goodbye.